Stop recording. 00 hour. Stop pause button.
Hello guys, magandang araw and muli po tayong nagbabalik. So ilang araw din tayong hindi nakapag-upload. So ngayon, upload tayo ng Farm Tricks Be Accessible, yung gaming, extra gaming content natin, no? So, nakalimutan ko na kung isang episode na tayo doon, no? So, kagaya nga ng
Screen locked.
screen off na natin. Kagaya ng sinasabi ko, dati pa lang, no? Isa lang itong extra gaming content, no? So, kung kayo ay makikinig, so okay lang, no? Kung hindi kayo makikinig, so okay lang naman, no? Walang problema sa akin yun, no? So, ngayon, dito tayo sa ating game, o gaming, no? Na Farm Tricks Be Accessible. So, sa ngayon, wala pa akong nakitang mga bagong laro, no? So, sa tingin ko, parang mahina yata yung takbo ng larong pang Android sa mga blind ngayon. So, walang bagong lumabas maliban sa Echo the Street. So, Echo the Street lang yung na-download ko na bagong laro, no? So, yung Echo the Street, so, parang nasabi ko na yan kung ano. Pero hindi ko pa yan ma-upload sa ngayon dahil may frequency missing pa tayo na kailangang tapusin. So, dahil gusto nating maraming mapakinggan yung ating mga tagapakinig. So, gusto kong marami kayong mapakinggan dito. So, ginawa ko na lang. So, yung frequency missing, by chapter yan, no? Chapter 1 to 4. So, ginawa ko, pinart ko na lang. Part 1, part 2, parang gano'n na lang, no? Para magkapag-upload tayo. So, kahit ano lang, dalawang videos sa isang linggo. So, o tatlo ba, no? So, minsan, hindi ako nakapag-upload. Dahil may ginawa lang, no? So, so, yun, no? So, kung dalawang video sa isang linggo, so okay lang naman yun. Pero kung lumagpas na, no? 2 weeks bago tayo makapag-upload o 1 month ba, so mas okay rin yun, no? Dahil para magkaroon din tayo ng rest time o pahinga, no? Sa pag-record. So, minsan kasi dito medyo mahina din yung signal namin dito, no? So, hindi ako masyadong makapag-upload. So, ngayon, sa ngayon, bago natin to simulan, no? Ano muna tayo dito? Chika-chika. Teka lang, check ko muna yung GCO natin, no?
8:20. Stop button.
Okay.
00 hours, 4 minutes, and 8 seconds. Record. Stop pause button.
So, yung ginamit ko na recorder, hindi to, screen recorder. Dito ako dumaan sa mga MP3 para ma-convert ko siya, no? Ng audio to video. So, mas maganda kasi na dito ako mag-record kasi pag-convert ko sa video, maliit na yung MB niya, no? So, kapag mahina yung signal dito, malakas man o mahina, so mabilis lang tayo kung makapag-upload. O mabilis na makarating yung ating video sa ating sa Blind Gamer PH. So, so ngayon, dahil wala pa akong nakitang mga bagong laro, maliban na lang sa Echo the Street, dito muna tayo sa ating mga extra gaming content, no? Baka magkaroon tayo ng next siguro, baka magkaroon tayo ng bagong extra gaming content para marami kayong mapakinggan sa ating extra gaming content, no? Na bago nating i-upload. So dito, sa ngayon, dahil wala pa akong nakita na medyo bagong laro, so dito muna tayo sa ating Farm 3XB accessible. Siguro episode 10 na siguro to, no? Hindi ko lang alam. So last time upload tayo ng Choice of the Trail ba yun? No? So part 2 na yung Choice of the Trail na na-upload natin. So baka sa susunod mag-upload na tayo ng part 3 sa Choice of the Trail. So ulitin ko lang, no? Sa Choice of the Trail, iba yung name ng hindi mo pa na-download at iba rin yung name na na-download mo na. So baka magtaka kayo kung bakit Choice of the Trail yung nilagay kong title. So kung i-download naman yun sa Play Store, hindi naman yun talaga Choice of the Trail. So ang nilagay ko na lang Choice of the Trail sa pagda-download na o matapos mo nang ma-download. So yun yung pinalo ko na name o meme. Siyempre. So sa mga hindi pala nakasubscribe, so please to subscribe na lang, no, sa ating simple at gaming content na channel na pang Android. So isa lang ang masasabi ko o isa lang ang nasisiguro ko, kung may mga bago tayong laro, so natural i-upload ko rin dito, no? So kung wala, so extra gaming content na lang tayo, no? So ngayon simulan na natin kasi mahaba na yung ating introduction.
8:29 a.m.
Okay.
Home button. Overview home button.
Okay.
Home screen. Contact. Echo. Quicks. Enter. Keep notes.
Di ka lang.
Hotgate. Google TV. Gallery. Files. Finisy. Frequency missing. Gallery.
Teka lang, saan ba yun?
Facebook. Fazendinha.
Okay, ito na.
Fazendinha. Talkback must be activated to play. You can use the volume key shortcut to turn talkback on or off. Use this shortcut the first time you turn on and configure your device. Game commands and gestures using talkback. Go to the next item on the screen, right. Go back to the previous item on the screen, on the left. To confirm, tap twice. To close the tutorial, pull down with 2 fingers or click to go back. Button, double tap. Fazendinha.
Okay. So,
Have 99 coins.
so may 99 coins na tayo.
You have 99 coins.
Okay.
Chicken coop. Plant, duck pond, get to, planting, become a super farmer. Fazendinha. You have 99 coins.
So marami naman kayong pwedeng itanim dito. So, ang ginawa ko lang ngayon, magparami dito ng pera. So sa susunod, try natin mag-unlock ng 4 na slot. 4 ba yun? Para nakalimutan ko na kasi, no? Try natin mag-unlock ng 4 na slot sa susunod. So ngayon, simulan na natin.
Planting 1. Plant a new seed.
Okay.
Tomato seed 0 coins. You planted a tomato seed.
So, dahil magparami pa lang tayo ng pera, dito tayo sa simple walang bayad.
Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed.
Okay.
You need 60 water bucket.
Okay.
Water bucket is selected.
Para madali yung manap yung water, swipe left na lang kayo, no?
That you have. Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed.
Okay.
Planting 1. Your seed has been watered.
So ito yung games na pinakamadali lang, no,
Planting 1. Your seed needs sun.
na laruin.
Back. Sun.
Okay.
Sun is selected.
Nagsuswipe left ako. Kaya madali ko lang nahanap yung sun.
You. Planting 1. Your seed needs sun.
Okay.
Planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
Okay. May harvest na tayo, no?
Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. You had a good tomato crop.
So you have a good tomato crop. So may isang tomato na tayo na pwede
Hat.
nating
Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest.
ibenta, no?
Eggplant seed. Carrot seed 5 coin.
Teka lang.
Tomato seed 0 coin. Choose a seed to grow. Tomato seed 0 coins.
0 coins.
Planted a tomato seed.
Okay.
Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. Back to the farm. Water bucket. Water bucket is back. You have. Planting 1. It's time. Planting 1. Your seed has been watered.
Your seed has been watered.
Planting 1. Your seed needs sun.
Okay.
Back. Sun. Sun is selected. Back. You. Planting 1. Your seed needs sun. Planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
So harvest natin, no?
Planting 1. Tomato is ready. You had a good tomato crop.
Okay.
Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Use a seed to grow.
So
Tomato seed 0 coins. Tomato seed 0 coins. You planted a tomato seed. Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. Water. You need 6 water bucket. Water bucket. That you have 9. Planting 1. You have. Planting 1. It's time for you to water the seed. Planting 1. Your seed has been watered. Planting 1. Your seed needs sun. Back to the sun. Is selected. Back. You have. Planting 1. Your seed needs sun. You need 60 coins to unlock. You have 99 coins. Planting 1. Your seed need. Planting 1. Your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest. Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest. You had a good tomato crop.
okay.
Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
So kapag nakarinig kayo, so kanina kapag nang-harvest ka, ito yung mababasa mo, no?
Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
So kanina nakalimutan ko palang sabihin, kapag nang-harvest ka, ito yung mababasa mo. Kapag nag-double tap ka, you have a good tomato crop. So kapag lalabas pa ito,
Planting 1. Tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
kapag i-double tap mo na yan, ito na yung lalabas. Okay.
Carrot seed 5.
Teka lang. Ito na yung lalabas.
Carrot seed.
Teka lang.
Tomato. Choose a seed to grow.
So ito na yung lalabas, no?
Choose a seed to grow.
So dalawang double tap to harvest yung double tap mo. So yung una, kapag mag-double tap ka ng i-double tap mo yung unang double tap to harvest. So yung una, yung mag-harvest. Ngayon, sa pangalawang double tap to harvest, pasensya na kayo sa pagbigkas ko, no? Sa pangalawang double tap to harvest, ito na yung lalabas, no?
Choose a seed to grow.
So, kailangan mo ng papipiliin ka niya ng kailangan mong itanim o pwede mong itanim.
Tomato seed 0. Choose tomato seed 0 coins. You planted a tomato seed.
So, yun yung pangalawang double tap to harvest.
Planting 1, it's time for you to water the seed. Water bucket.
Okay.
Water bucket is selected. That you have 9. Planting 1, it's time for you to water the seed. Planting 1, your seed has been watered.
Okay.
Planting 1, your seed needs sun.
So, kulang lang tagala. Ano ba yan? Kulang lang talaga ito ng sound effects, no? So, mas maganda siguro to kung may effects. Halimbawa, mag-water ka, no? Dapat, no, may sound effects to ng water. Yung para kang didilig ng tanim.
Back to the sun. Sun is selected. That you planting 1, your seed needs sun. Planting 1, your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1, tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
So, kagaya nga ng sinasabi ko kanina, ito yung
Planting 1, tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
So, ito yung unang pang-harvest. Kapag i-double tap mo to,
Had a good tomato crop.
you have a good tomato crop. So, yung pangalawa,
Planting 1, tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest.
so ito yung pangalawa. Kapag dinouble tap mo to, ito na yung lalabas.
Carrot seed 5. Choose a seed to grow.
So, ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina na papipilian ka niya kung ano yung itanim mo. Ito ba yung
Pumpkin seed 3 coins. Tomato seed 0 coin. Pumpkin seed 3 coins. Eggplant seed 4 coins. Carrot seed 5. Carrot seed 5 coins.
So, ito yung tanim na mga may bayad.
Tomato seed 0 coins. You planted a tomato seed. Planting 1, it's time for you to water the seed. That sun.
Tika lang. Sana
Bucket.
yung napindot ko.
Water bucket. Water bucket is selected. That you have 99. Planting 1, it's time for you to water the seed. Planting 1, your seed has been watered. Planting 1, your seed needs sun.
Okay.
That sun. Sun is selected. That you planting 1, your seed needs sun. Planting 1, your little plant received sunlight. Planting 1, tomato is ready for harvest. Double tap to harvest. Planting 1, tomato is ready for harvest. You had a good tomato crop. You have back to the farm button.
So, ibenta na natin to.
Fazendinha. You have shop. Here you can sell your products. You have 5 products.
So, may 5 products tayo, no? Double tap natin yung shop.
Fazendinha. Back to the farm. You have that. You have 5 tomatoes. Each tomato is worth 3 coins. Sell all tomatoes.
Okay.
You received 15 coins.
So, may 15 coins tayo, no?
To the farm button. Fazendinha. You shop. Here you can. You have farm description. You have 114 coins.
So, may 114 coins na tayo, no?
Fish. My trophies. Lock trophy. In memory of. Purpose to pay the. In memory of Pluto's January 3rd, 2023. Even though my dog has passed away, his love and memory remain with me and all those who knew him. His white and brown paw will always be fondly remembered with nostalgia, and his loving spirit will always be an important part of those whom he touched during his life.
Pag dinamulta po to,
Love you, Plutos.
di ba?
Love you, Plutos. Love you, Plutos. Tutorial and setup. In menu. Tutorial. Credit button. Donation button. Quit game button.
Quit game na natin to.
App list.
Okay.
Choices of the trail. Overview button. Recent apps. Clear all. Fazendinha. Recorder. 00 hours, 19 minutes, and stop pause button. Screen locked.
So, dito na nga siguro ko puputulin yung ating video, no, sa araw na ito. So, updates na tayo sa ating Farm 3XB accessible. So, Sanay nagustuhan niyo ang ating uploads sa araw na to. So, muli, ito ang inyong kaibigan. So, sa susunod nating uploads, so, abangan nyo lang, no, yung ating next upload para sa channel na to. So, sa susunod, puro sa susunod. Sa susunod, abangan nyo lang yung ating mga next upload o mga episode ng mga games na hindi pa natin na-upload. So, abangan nyo lang yan. So, magandang araw dito and hanggang sa muli. Hanggang sa muli nating uploads.
Stop button. Pause. Stop button.